Also, you guys, I got 3 more rabbits. They're not Flemish Giants. They're New Zealand Whites. They're pretty sketch right now, but I'll try and show you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is the boy. He's always like jumping around and stuff. He's actually way nicer than the other ones. You guys, the other one has not come out of that little hiding box since like the time we got her. I had to drive over like 100 miles to get these babies, and I had to wake up at like 5 in the morning. So yeah, we got them from a breeder, so that's why they're skittish and stuff, because they haven't really been held. But these will do good for the fair, hopefully. I'll try and show you guys her, but she's like freaking out right now. It's too dark anyways. Here's the other one. She's kind of big, but she's really freaky. If I try and pet her. Good girl, you're okay. Hi, baby blue. Hi, little mama. Oh, you're so sweet. Here you go. You're thirsty. Time to do the sheepies. How are my beautiful babies? Hi, Evelyn. You want to say hi, Evelyn? Say hi, mama. China, Sophie, Betty Boo, Evelyn. Hi, Opa. There's Larry. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Are you babies hungry? Where's baby Billy? There she is. Hello, mama. Hi. I'm coming, Bill. Hi, mama. You be nice to mommy's camera. Come on, baby. Come on, mama. No, baby Bailey. What are you doing, you crazy little cow? What are you doing, you crazy little cow? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? No. No. What are you doing, little mama? I love you. What's up, baby? What's up, big mama? What's up? What's up, you crazy cow? Mother? I know. Hamilton, what are you doing, little Hamilton? You're so cute. The baby is 11 days old, and I'm going to try and give you guys a little update. It's about to rain though, so I better hurry up. There he is, you guys. He's so cute. He's such a big boy. He's 11 days old. Oh, hi, baby. So we have a really close friend, and he is a vet, and my dad was telling him about this calf. And he basically said that you're going to have a 3-legged cow if he survives. I'm pretty sure he will, though, because he's been running around a lot and stuff. Yeah, there's nothing that you can do. It's not like adult where, like, if they dislocate their shoulder, you can, like, pop it back in or anything. That's not how cows are. And so I know a lot of you guys are commenting, like, oh my gosh, you need to take him to the vet, which I understand. And so we did ask a vet and stuff, and they just said there's nothing you can do about it. And yeah, I mean, he's eating good. He obviously got milk, otherwise he would have been dead by now. But yeah, he's so cute. Also, you guys, I'm just going to take a brief moment and explain, because a lot of people are asking, like, do your parents help you film or edit or do anything with these videos? And the answer to that is no. Okay, I'm going to say this in the nicest way possible. They're not the youngest, and my dad has a flip phone, and so I do all the editing myself, I do all the filming myself. Even if if my full body's in, that just means that I set up my camera. Alright guys, I'm just so excited, and I can't tell you guys why, but all I can say is that today is Tuesday, and that's it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, stay cringy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Also, you guys, if you have any other video ideas, comment them down below, and I might film them for you.